So why should I prefer premium bullet ice cube machine? Basically the ice isn't ice, right?
Ice is not just ice, ice is food. If you're opening a premium cafe, you're charging a premium to your customer to be there. You are also transferring these impurities into your drink. This ice will put 50% less load on your blender blades than this, and I'll explain you why. Hi Shweta, I'm Vinay Sharma from IceBoy. I know you had a few questions about our ice machines, so let me know what you want to know.
I just wanted to know that what are the difference between the dice ice cube machine and the bullets ice cube machine?
Okay.
And as I'm going to open a restaurant, so why should I prefer premium bullet ice cube machine over the dice one?
Okay, that's an excellent question, and we get this question quite a bit. So I'll give you a brief. So dice ice machine, if you see over here, uses the world's oldest technology to make ice cube, and it's a vertical evaporator with a tank and a pump, and it makes in a full block.
Okay.
And irrespective of what quality of water you use, you will always find that dice ice will always have a little bit of imperfection and will never be 100% crystal, will have a little bit of fogginess around it. Also, it does not fall separately, made in a single block. When it falls, it breaks into pieces. You will still find clumps of 6, 8, 4 joined together, which either you have to break with the spoon or manually, which is a very unhygienic way and a very primitive way to serve ice or use ice. Now, in the same system, what we did was we made a patented vertical bullet ice system where you can get absolutely perfect, crystal clear, flawless ice, which is made individually, it falls individually, and gives you the most beautiful and premium ice that you can buy in the market today. So if you want to ever serve your customers ice in your restaurant, in your premium drinks, which one would you want to serve?
I have one question I'll
Yes.
just fit. As I'm going to crush both of them.
Yes.
So basically the ice isn't ice, right? So why this?
Or not this? That's also a very excellent question. So first I explained you why premium individual crystal clear ice is more beneficial to any restaurant or a cafe, because if you're opening a premium cafe, you're charging a premium to your customer to be there.
Okay.
This is the face of your, your drinks or the food that you're serving. I also keep telling people that ice is not just ice. Ice is food. Just the way you want your food to be of the highest quality, you want your ice to be also of the highest quality. Why you would want bullet ice over dice ice if you want to only crush it is because when you are trying to crush this ice, which has impurities on it, you are also transferring these impurities into your drink. If you ever noticed, when you have a glass of chilled water at home versus a glass of water with ice in your home, you would always remember that the ice water has a little bit of weird aftertaste to it. And that is because it is freezer burn from the ice, because every ice that you make in your home, in your fridge, has whiteness in it, and that whiteness has impurities and air pockets trapped in the ice, which actually change the taste of your drink at the end. So even if you're blending the ice, it is always recommended to blend clear ice, because clear ice has no impurities, no freezer burn taste, and no air pockets inside at all. It will never change the drink quality or the taste of your drink whatsoever at all. Another thing, when you are blending, a lot of people think that if I show you these two ice side by side, which one do you think is smaller? Of course, this one. Which one do you think will put less load on your blender blades?
I think this one.
I think this one, because this is smaller, right? Wrong. So you think that this is small and will put less load on your blender, but actually this ice will put 50% less load on your blender blades than this, and I'll explain you why. Because this ice is a cube of 22 mm by 22 mm by 22 mm.
Okay.
So the wall thickness of this ice at any place is a 22 mm size. So if you compare this ice, although it's a 40 mm large ice, but because of the hole in the center, the wall thickness at any given place is around 10 to 12 mm, which is 50% the wall thickness of a cube ice, because of which when you're trying to break this ice, it breaks easily and it will put less load on your blender blades, 50% less. And that is why it is recommended to use bullet ice, not only for its clarity, its hygiene, its versatility in your different drinks, but also for not putting load on your blender blades and also giving you crystal clear ice which does not hamper the taste of your drinks, which gives you your customers a premium feel of each drink that you serve. Any other questions?
No.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Really.
Thank you.